here's some of the most recent work I've been doing. I had the floor completely stripped. I had the torque tube, nose strut torque tube out, the brake master cylinders out, brake pedals, and the control, everything off the floor, and did cleaning. And there's tons of old glue, upholstery glue and stuff holding down the old carpet. I cleaned up, treated a little bit of corrosion, and get everything serviced and going back in now with new hoses, and new O-rings on the master cylinders, etc. You can see the nose strut torque tube is painted. Did a good inspection on that, and I've got one more set of rudder pedals and tube to go back in, and then on to the next project. And here it is with everything bolted back down to the floor, the rudder pedals all connected, the brake lines all connected, so ready to move on to the next step in this restoration.